until midnight, alright? So make sure to stay tuned until the very end. Now for the next act is gonna be the finale for us. So stand by your cameras.